Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will learn the lesson number 1 of Noorani Qaida, which is pronunciation of Arabic alphabets. So for each and every language, first we had to know about the letters or words of that language. So also for Arabic, first we had to know about the alphabets of Arabic. So we'll start our lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So there are 29 alphabets in Arabic. First one is Alif. Whenever a straight vertical line will come, it will be called Alif. Repeat after me. Alif. Next one. Ba. Ba. So the method of pronouncing ba is when our upper lip and the lower lip will touch each other, ba will be pronounced. Repeat after me. Ba. Ba. Next one. Ta. Method of pronouncing ta is when the tip of our tongue will touch the root of our first two teeth, ta will be pronounced. Repeat after me. Ta. Next one. Tha. Method of pronouncing tha is when the tip of our tongue will come in between our upper teeth and lower teeth, tha will be pronounced. Repeat after me. Tha. Tha. So the shape of ba, ta and tha is similar to each other, but we had to differentiate them. So the letter ba has one dot under it. Letter tha has two dot above it, and letter tha has three dots above it. Next one. Jeem. Jeem. Ha. Ha will always pronounced from our throat, middle part of our throat. So the voice of sa comes from our middle part of our throat. So repeat after me. Ha. Ha. Next one. Kha. Kha. So the voice of kha will always come from our upper part of throat, which is close to the mouth. Repeat after me. Kha. Kha. So the letter Jim, Ha and Kha, these three words has also similar shape, but we had to differentiate them. So the method of differentiating is that the word Jim has one dot inside it, and the word Ha has no dot on it, and the letter Kha has one dot above it. Next letter. Dal. Dal. Next one. Dal. Dal. Next one. Ra. Ra. Next one. Za. Za. So letter Ra and Za has also similar shape, but the word Ra has no dot on it, and the word Za has one dot above it. Next one. Seen. Seen. Sheen. Sheen. So word seen has no dot on it, and the word sheen has one dot, three dots above it. Next one. Sad. Sad. Next one. Rad. Rad. So method of pronouncing Rad is that the left side of our tongue, when the left side of our tongue will touch the left side of our mouth teeth, it will be pronouncing God. Repeat after me. God. God. One more time. God. So the word Sad and God has also similar shape, but the word Sad has no dot on it and the word God has one dot above it, which makes a big difference between them. Next one. Ta. Ta. Next one. Wa. Wa. So the word ta has no dot on it and the word wa has one dot above it. Repeat after me. Wa. Wa. Ain. Ain. Repeat after me. Ain. Next one. Ghain. Ghain. So the word Ain has no dot above it and the word Ghain has one dot above it, which makes a difference between them. Next one. Fa. Fa. Repeat after me. Fa. Fa. Next one. Qaf. Qaf. Okay, Qaf will always pronounced boldly. Next one. Kaf. So these two letters has same voice, but these two are different from each other. The word which has two dots above it will be pronounced boldly like this. Qaf. Repeat after me. Qaf. And the word which has a sign like this on it will not be pronounced boldly. Repeat after me. Kaf. Kaf. Next one. Lam. Lam. Next one. Mim. Mim. Noon. Repeat after me. Noon. Noon. Next one. Wow. 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 Repeat after me. Wow. Next one. Ha. So the voice of ha comes from our chest. Pronounce it. Ha. One more time. Ha. Ha. So the next one is Hamza. Repeat after me. Hamza. One more time. Hamza. Hamza. One more time. Hamza. And the last one is Ya. Ya. Repeat after me. Ya. Ya. Jazakallah.